Do you think school students can make projects which can impact the society in a positive way? Meet Changemakers.
Changemakers Summer Bootcamp is all about learning by doing, where we host passionate makers to use their interests and skills to bring about a positive change in the society. This is an experiment to connect the bright high schoolers with the brains and the brawn, that is the R&D facilities of the premier institutions of the country.
In this 30 days program, students went through design thinking process and got hands-on training on various machines. They learnt, they applied and built brilliant projects.
From the first week when we got to listen to so many inspiring professors in the LHC to when we got to actually have hands-on experience with the laser cutter, with the 3D printing machine. All in all, I'm pretty sure I'm going to remember this for the rest of my life.
ये वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी थी थ्योरीज और बुक से बाहर आकर प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज गेन करने की.
My project is a refreshable braille system that converts text to a tactile output in real time. Once I've come here, I've realized that art and tech can be combined together in such beautiful ways, and people can do that as a job, and that entire premise is just amazing for me.
मैं मेरी टीम के साथ ऐसी सीट बनाना चाहता था जो कि एट द टाइम ऑफ इमरजेंसी एक स्ट्रेचर में कन्वर्ट हो सके, जिससे एम्बुलेंस की शॉर्टेज की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सके.
सबसे बेस्ट बात मेरे को ये लगी कि यहाँ हम अपने आइडियाज़ को लेके आए और उन आइडियाज़ को हम रियलिटी में बना पाए.
These projects were presented by the students in the Changemakers exhibition witnessed by the whole IIT Delhi community and also covered by various media houses.
We learned many skills, and especially Makerspace had a huge part in it.
Working in the Makerspace has really been a great experience for me, using all these different tools and equipment over here. The teachers, the mentors have been really helpful throughout the entire process of making our prototype. It's about actually building that crazy idea you always had and watching it come to life.
30 days कब बीत गए कोई idea नहीं लगा, and from literally having no knowledge of robotics to actually creating a working prototype gave us hands-on experience, and उसके लिए thank you Makerspace, thank you IIT Delhi.
मैं विश करूँगा कि मेरे जैसे हर स्कूल स्टूडेंट को ऐसा इमर्सिव प्रोग्राम एक्सपीरियंस करने का चांस मिले.
I am Disha Segal and I am a change maker.
I'm Pranjal and I'm a change maker.
My name is Yogesh and I am a change maker.
I am a change maker.
I am a change maker.
I'm really impressed. There are students from grade 11 and 12 filing for patents and making such amazing stuff.
It's a very interesting projects, very enthusiastic students.
These things should happen more often.
First time seeing this energy with school kids on campus.
और ऐसे इवेंट्स के थ्रू अभी नए आए हैं, स्किल्स इन्होंने डेवलप किए हैं, अभी इन्हें पता है कि प्रैक्टिकली चीज़ें होती कैसे हैं.
The projects are very innovative, specifically the ideas.
I hope some of these are taken forward.
काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, मतलब बच्चों के जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं really mind blowing.
I'm really amazed at the kind of projects which are done here.
It is very encouraging for the children. At the same time, this also helps that culture of innovation and sense of making something of their own.
This is a much required activity which all of the younger generation should explore, how to work hands-on and create amazing impactful solutions.
And I hope some of them will continue with this project and actually make them a market-ready product and take it to people, society and industry.
And I really wish all the best and wish to see these students very soon in IITs and other bigger institutes where they get resources to explore their ideas.
इतने कम टाइम में किया, it's really awesome. Yeah.
So cheers for all of us. The staff, the students, Makerspace staff, Quest Lab staff, all the IIT Delhi student mentors, high school students, their families, administration. So all of us came together and did such a wonderful job. So thank you everyone.
I love Makerspace.
खुशी से बोल ले मेरे भाई.
So there's a video of Prasanna sir putting like snow.
Ready when you are.
मुझे उन चीज़ों से एक्सपोजर में
उन चीज़ों के साथ.
सर वो मुझे ठीक है. So मुझे
So many inspiring movie. Love this.
नॉलेज को अप्लाई करने की आई एम
कोई बात नहीं. इसको बंद हो जाने वाला.
IIT delegate group
For that, thank you organizer.
I am a change maker. I love Makerspace.
Perfect.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Guys, like, share, subscribe button for video.
Guys, please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Makerspace को सब्सक्राइब करिए वरना मैं करती.
देखिए आपको वो यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा लिंक या यहाँ पे
कहीं पे तो मिलेगा.
यहाँ मैं लिंक लिख रहा हूँ.
नहीं तो इस क्या
प्लीज फीचर में ऐड कर देना. हाँ.